Have you ever wondered how students like you are turning their typing skills into a steady stream of income right from their home? With the rise of online typing jobs, it's easier than ever to earn extra cash while balancing classes and social life. Imagine being able to work on your own schedule from the comfort of your couch and still make a decent income. In this video, we will explore the best platforms for typing jobs, the skill you need and how to get started. Remember, as the saying goes, opportunities doesn't happen. You have to create them. So let's dive in. First on our list is the Upwork, one of the largest freelancing platform out there. Here's how it works. You create a profile that highlights your skills and start bidding on jobs that match your experience. The beauty of Upwork lies in its variety. Whether you are interested in the data entry, transcription or typing or content writing, there is something for everyone. Picture this, you're sitting in your favorite spot at home typing away while sipping coffee. With Upwork, that could be your daily routine. Just remember to check the client's review before applying. It's like reading restaurants' reviews before trying a new place. Next up is Fiverr. This platform allows you to showcase your skills, creativity by setting up gigs, that is, services you offer. Buyers come to you based on what you present. Think of Fiverr as an online marketplace where your typing skills can shine. You could even create a gig of specialized typing tasks like transcribing interviews or writing articles, making it uniquely yours. Now let's talk about Rev.com, a go-to platform for the transcription and captioning jobs. If you have a good listening skills and you can type quickly, this might be your sweet spot. Imagine getting paid to listen to interesting podcasts or videos while improving your typing speed. Rev offers that kind of flexibility, perfect for students who want to learn while earning. Freelancer is another fantastic option where you can bid on projects that catch your eyes. Think of Freelancer as a global talent show where you can showcase your typing skills. Just remember that the competition can be strong, so make sure your profile shines. So there you have it. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Rev and Freelancer at your fingertips, finding typing jobs from your home has never been easier for the students. Remember, it's all about matching your skills with the right opportunities while keeping flexibility at the forefront. Keep this thought in your mind. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of the dreams. So go ahead, dream big and type away.